Keeping your Stryker boat clean is easy. We always recommend Aerospace 303 to protect the fabric of the boat. To clean your Stryker boat, simply create a soapy solution that is safe for PVC. Rinse the inside and outside of your boat before applying your soapy solution. We recommend using a bristle brush to scrub off any dirt and debris. If you use your boat in salt water, be sure to scrub all the tie-down points of your boat. Be sure to thoroughly rinse your boat of any soapy residue. After cleaning and drying, spray liberally with Aerospace 303. And wipe with a microfiber cloth. Aerospace 303 helps protect your boat against the harmful effects of UV.